Today is Saturday, and guys, I have been busy since morning. I'm cooking, prepping my Sunday outfit, making my wig. Like, I have been doing a lot of things today, and I have been cooking also. I started cooking this sauce. This is for my husband, and this is without pepper. Anytime I cook food with pepper, he doesn't eat it, and I will end up eating the food myself. So I don't want to make that mistake. That's why I am cooking his own sauce separately from mine, because of the shout, Onome, you have spoiled the food. Onome, the food is this. Onome, the food is that. Why did you spoil the food? You add a lot of pepper. Even if I put small pepper, Oga will say I added too much pepper. And me, I don't want wahala. I don't want problem. That's why I am cooking his own sauce separately from mine, because I am avoiding wahala. I'll start cooking mine very, very soon. Yeah, tomorrow being Sunday, I don't want to come back from church and start cooking, because at that time I'll be tired, I'll be hungry, and I don't want to go through all of that. That's why I'm doing everything today being Saturday. Ready to go to church. I tried doing my wig to install it. I tried my best, but anyway, it's okay. I did this baby hair here well. I did not do this side very well, but I'm a learner. What do you expect? So yeah, I am all set to go to church. I thought to update you guys. So
Thought I'd end up with Sean, but it wasn't a match. Wrote some songs about Ricky, now I listen and laugh. Even almost got married, and for Pete I'm so thankful. Wish I could say thank you to Malcolm, cause he was an angel. One taught me love, one taught me patience, and one taught me pain. I'm so amazing to have loved and I've lost, but that's not what I see. So look what I got, look what you taught me. Yeah, for that I say thank you. Next, thank you. Next, thank you. I'm so fucking grateful for my ex. Thank you. Next, thank you. Thank you. I'm so fucking spend more time with my friends. I ain't worried about nothing. Plus I met someone else. We having better discussions. I know that day I move on too fast, but this one gon' last. Cause her name is Ari, and I'm so good with that.
My lawyers are preparing the divorce papers. You better come to terms with me, else